I'm mentioning these things because it again resolves that same conflict of outside and inside. One statement I once read which said, Antar Bahar Eko Jano Yahi Guru Gyan Bataya. The Guru has told me that inside and outside are the same. For a time, it took me time to see how can they be the same, till I discovered how the outside is created. Outside is created from the inside, and inside has the original copy of what you see outside. They are both there at the same time. It's not that outside creation is different, and you are just watching it. The point from where you are watching, behind that point is the area from where the outside is being projected. It's almost like going to a movie theater. When you go to a movie theater, you are sitting in a comfortable chair. The action is taking place on the screen in front. There is nothing on the screen. There is nobody there. What you are seeing there is coming from behind you, not in front of you. It's coming from a projector. We never notice the projector. We don't go to see the projector. We have not been conscious of the projector. When we go to see a movie, we are only interested in watching what is happening on the screen. But if one were to say, why is it happening? How is it happening? How real is it? Then we can say, yes, there is a projector already having the film in it. And what will happen there has already happened. It's already loaded there. There we are waiting. Now what will happen next? Will that person do that or not? These thoughts are coming to us after seeing the shadows of what is happening in front. We're taking it real because we are not putting any attention that what is going to happen has already happened. It's already happened in the projectors behind us. And projector is nothing but a prepared, predetermined drama acted by people long ago who were not real at all. They were just acting. It's not a real story even. It's just an acted story. And acting was done, and a movie was prepared. Movie is being put in a projector. A light is throwing a shadow on the screen, and we are sitting there watching. Oh, what is going to happen now? And we laugh when good things happen. We cry when we are in the movie. We get frightened in scary movies. We are taking it as real. There is no difference between that and what we are doing right now, looking at the world. The world was drawn up completely. The whole picture was completely made up much earlier, before we ever came here. And it's all a multi-dimensional screen around us through which we are seeing. The light of the consciousness of the soul is projecting to the mind in which the images are loaded, and we are seeing the world. There's no difference whatsoever. But we're taking it as real, like we take the movie as real. This we take even more real, because of one difference in the movie and this movie, that in the movie in the hall, we are not sitting in the screen. We are sitting away from it. Here, we have decided to go further, close to the action, and decided not to sit in an audience outside, but to sit in one of the characters. And that character we think is ourselves. And the whole burden of the ups and downs of the movie is falling upon us by this one mistake, that we are real and this world is real, and therefore we have to go through what is going on. At least we can pull out ourselves from this by the exercises suggested. Sit behind the eyes, watch the movie, and never forget that the character in whose head you are sitting is just a character, like any other character. It's not yourself. Never was. It's part of the movie. It's a projection outside. You are even creating your body from outside.